Hey guys, welcome to Cosmo Makeup Academy's YouTube channel. So, this is Gisela here. She is actually one of the owners here at Cosmo Makeup Academy. So, we have a fun challenge for you guys today. We're going to be doing what we're going to call like the Birdbox makeup challenge now, which is going to be the Blindfold makeup challenge. So, we're going to be doing two separate videos. I'm going to be doing her makeup blindfolded, and she's going to be doing my makeup blindfolded. But here's where it gets super tricky. Is she has all of her products right here, which I'm going to be using on her, and she has all of my products that I'm going to be using on, wait.
Yeah.
All of, I backed it up, like, all my products that she's going to be using on me is what I meant to say.
Right.
And she's not familiar with my products, I'm not familiar with her products, so we're just...
Oh my God,
it's going to be a mess. It's going to be a mess. Yes. And we have a red lip for her, okay? A red lip. So imagine me trying to get a red lip. Come on now, with the blindfold. But I'm going to try to do my best because I want to give it like a real shot, you know?
Wait, do we have like a certain amount of time, or it's just...
Okay, normally I did it before, and I did a 5-minute makeup challenge, but I don't know. Maybe let's do, should we do 10 minutes?
Yeah, we can do 10 minutes. Please. Okay. I don't think I can do 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Yeah, okay, so we're going to do it in 10 minutes. So that way we can speed the process up for you guys as well, too. And then it challenges us even more.
Wait, do we have to say the product that we're using? Or are we just going to show?
No, you just show it up. You're not
I've never done this before, guys.
This is her first video, yes.
First ever.
And we're starting her off with a bang because we're giving her a challenge video. So it's going to be difficult. So yeah, if you guys are interested in watching this train wreck, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to Cosmo Makeup Academy's YouTube channel. Excuse my stuttering, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna start off with her foundation. And this is just gonna be the biggest mess ever, especially because I'm not familiar with these. Oh, there I go, knocking it down. Especially because I'm not familiar with these products. Does this have a cap on it?
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
There you go.
And she's not allowed to help me, okay? So it's gonna be really difficult.
2 pumps is enough.
Okay.
There you go.
I'm pumping it on the floor, not on the petri dish.
A little bit more.
Oh, a little bit more?
I want full coverage.
Is that enough?
That's enough.
Okay. And then I'm going to be taking her booty blender and... Wait, oh shit. I should have just put it on the... Oh, I don't even know if it's on. I don't even know if it's on there, but I'm trying to get it on the petri dish. And then, hold on, let me feel...
My face. Okay. There you go.
What part of your face is this?
The chin.
Oh. Oh, shit.
Let me turn.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Oh my God, hold on, wait. Okay, let me feel, where's your forehead?
Right there.
Okay, nose. No, okay, perfect. All right. Wait, I did get some on here though, right?
Yes, you did.
Okay, I know low-key that's cheating, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do.
Okay, I hope you...
What?
Do the other side.
I'm gonna try. Okay.
Oh my God, I'm nervous to do yours.
Okay, hold on, wait, oh damn. Just make sure you keep your eyes closed. I really, girl, I don't have insurance, so hopefully you do, because if I poke your eye out, girl, you can't sue me.
Get in there, get in there. Oh my God.
What did I get it? Oh my God.
You're still good, still in the forehead.
Okay. I feel like, okay, I know the purpose of the challenge is to like, you're not supposed to say anything, but I feel like we should help each other out. Don't you think? Because
I've never done makeup. I need some help.
It's not even about like, that. It's just like, it's completely dark. It's pitch black, so I literally, okay, wait.
You have to touch my face.
I know,
that's the only way.
But the problem is if I'm putting foundation, then I touch your face, then I'm messing up the foundation, you know?
Just don't slap me.
That's gonna happen. It's gonna be WWE up in here.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna stop with the foundation now. We're gonna move on to powder. Okay, I'm gonna be all up on your lips.
I like that.
I'm being soft though, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'm like, girl, I'm trying to kill you.
All right, enough with the eye.
Oh, that's your eye? Oh my God. Okay, let me feel. Okay, chin again, right? Chin?
Chin.
Okay, chin. Damn, oh my God, you have a small face.
I do.
Because I'm like, I feel like I went like this, and you're like, eye.
Yeah, you're like tapping on my eye nonstop. I'm like,
you don't need your eye, do you?
What?
You don't need your eye, do you?
No.
Hey, Stevie Wonder can, you know, become rich and famous off of Be Blind, so can you. It's okay. All right. So I'm setting her under eye with the NARS powder.
Eyebrows.
Hold on, wait. This is your forehead, right?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna put it on her eye too because I'm using that as an eyeshadow primer because that's where I put her concealer, I'm pretty sure. Oh, damn it. You're tricking me over here, girl. I set you up easy. Look how easy I set you up. She got like 85 different products over here.
You said bring your makeup.
Yeah. That's true. Oh my god. So much for a 10-minute challenge because I can't even find the product. Oh, girl. Oh, I put too much. Wait, is it a soft or a heavy product?
Medium.
Oh, damn, man, I went way too hard. Oh, well. Here we go. We're going to give her that Kim K contour right now. So, oh my god, what part of your face am I... Oh, cheek. Is this your cheek?
That's my cheek.
Okay. Okay, hold on.
Oh my god. This is going to be fun.
Wait till you do mine.
It looks so beautiful.
Oh my god, I can't wait.
Okay, wait.
All right, how far are you going?
Oh my god, did I take it down too far?
I'm just curious.
I'm connecting it with your nose. I'm not familiar with this product at all, so I don't know if it's heavy, because I know, like, for me, normally the one that I use is super soft.
All right. Where
am I going?
There we go.
Where was I going with it?
You're going down my chin.
Oh, yeah. It's so crazy because when you're doing this, you feel like you're leaving your hand in the same spot. Like, I feel like I'm having your contour area right here, right? But then...
Yeah, but then you...
Next thing you know, I'm contouring your neck.
My eyebrows?
Oh, yeah. Girl, you're in for a treat. All I gotta tell you is you're in for a treat. Oh, damn. I just got some in your hair, girl. You're having highlights now.
Okay, keep my eyes closed.
Yeah, in this, if you guys do this challenge at home, please keep your eyes closed because you will get poked. You will. Can you imagine trying to do eyeliner? Girl, I should give you a gel liner to do mine.
The lips is gonna be challenging already.
Oh, girl, the lips. Oh, I regret telling you to choose red. I regret it so bad.
Oh.
This is the fun part, okay, guys? Just make sure if you do this at home, don't poke anybody's eye out. I feel her eye right here, but now it's to keep that. Oh, no, that's your eyebrow. Oh, my gosh. That's what I'm saying. Girl, I should have had you. What? Am I way off? I thought that was your eye, no? What happened? Am I doing your eyebrow? I'm doing your eyebrow, huh?
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Okay. You did the eyebrow, but that's cool.
That's
my eyelid.
Oh, your eyelid.
Oh, wait, stop moving. You're going up.
Oh, damn. But because you said your eyelid. I'm trying to find
Sorry, guys, I think we're going for a fantasy look.
We are. Okay, wait, hold on. Let's go back. I just want to make sure I'm not pressing hard.
Oh, I can't with this. Oh my god, wait, where are you
going? Hey, girl, this is part of the challenge. No one's saying you're gonna go to the supermarket after this, okay?
You said beauty makeup.
No, we're doing fantasy, girl. We're doing whatever you come out to be, okay?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, that is enough of that crease over there, because I don't even know. As soon as I flip the brush, I lose where your eye is. Okay, wait, there we go. Oh no. It's your eyebrow again, isn't it?
Oh my god, wait till you see me. Oh my god, where are you going?
Where's your eye? Girl,
You're in the middle of my eye. You're in the middle of my forehead.
Oh my god. Okay, this is how it goes. This is just how it goes. Okay, wait. Your eye again.
Yeah.
How did I make my way up to your forehead?
I have no idea.
Girl, you see I'm not even... Again?
Yeah.
How?
I don't know.
Can my forehead be as small as yours? I feel like you're tricking me.
I'm not moving.
Okay, this is your eyebrow, right?
Yeah.
Okay, look, I'm there. You know, I'm gonna hold. This is what I'm gonna do, like this.
Smart.
There we go.
Okay.
I feel like I'm just gonna mess up your forehead, but whatever. See, it's so much easier with the fingers because then at least I could feel. But the brush, I'm all girl. What?
This look is gonna be.
Okay, but we're going out for a drink after this, right?
Oh yeah, for sure. Drinks on me.
Did lip even show up though? Because I feel like I'm pressing super soft.
No, it's red.
Oh yeah? I didn't know it was red. Just kidding. I don't even want to attempt your top lip.
Mm-hmm.
Girl, your nose is gonna be red. You're gonna look like Rudolph when we're done. So now it's time for the lipstick. Well, she decided to give me a lip palette, okay? So she's really trying to challenge me today. And I have no idea which one's the red, but there's a red in here.
Like a dark red, yeah.
Okay, that's... Okay, let's assume it goes
from light
to dark.
There you go.
We're going for a nice natural look, you know, bronzy eye, red lip. We chose the perfect look. You know, your top lip is just no. Okay, tell me, did I do that bad of a job on the bottom?
No, it looks fine. Okay. I'm just waiting to see the upper lip.
Oh, the upper lip is done for, girl. You're in for a treat. Here we go. How did I get that bright of an orange?
You didn't even blend in the concealer. It's just sitting there. My eyeshadow.
Wait, when did black? How did I get black?
What do you mean black? Oh, because I have a little bit of mascara from laughing so hard. I think it's smeared, but
okay, your bottom lip wasn't gonna be so bad, but the top lip is. You're jacked up, girl.
You were like, wait, I got this bottom lip. Oh my god. Guys, what do you guys think?
Make sure you guys subscribe. We have another video coming where she does my makeup blindfolded, and I think it's gonna be great. I have a big forehead, so good luck contouring that.
I got you.
Yeah.
I got you.
All right, you guys, we'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye.